Yes. Good afternoon, children. So let me first revise the last day's topic. Okay. So what is the name of process of breaking down of food into small parts? What is the, don't say the answer. Don't say the answer. I will ask you. Mute your audio. Mute your audio. My question is, Ahmad Nejad. I want to get the answer from Ahmad Nejad. Okay, Ahmad Nejad? Yes. Question is, what is the name of the process of breakdown of food into smaller parts?
Teeth.
Processing. Processing. What is the name of the process? Process breaking into small pieces. What is that called? The process.
Digestion system.
Adit Krishna.
Sorry.
Agnivesh, what is the name of that process?
Digestive system.
Is it digestive system, children?
Digestion.
Digestion. Okay. It is not the digestive system. It is the digestion. Yes. Mute your audio. Everyone mute your audio. So, digestion means breaking down of food into smaller parts. Okay, digestion means breaking down of food into smaller part. Digestion. Is there any system? Can you see it here in this board? No, it is only digestion, that word, isn't it? Why we are making it into smaller parts? That means if it is like a paste form, then the blood can absorb the useful things from it. Am I correct? Am I correct? This all we discussed it. Okay. Next one. The organ system means a group of organs are associated or along with the digestion of food. Okay, a group of organs, this much organs are helping in the digestion of food. That family of organs helping in digestion, we can call that family as digestive family or digestive system. Digestive system. Why I add that word family? Family means so many are there, isn't it? But they are, yeah, family means in a house so many people will be there, but they are all living in one family, isn't it? The members are helping in the work, isn't it? So in the same, Ishan, listen here, in the same way, organs, group of organs, when doing some particular work, doing some work, we can call that group of organs as organ system. Okay, organ system. When these organs help in digestion, that group of organs, we can call it as, what is the name given to that organ, Ivana? What is the name given to that group of organs? Ivana? Digestive system. Okay, digestive system. So understood the difference between digestion and digestive system? Understood? I think so. So when I asked you, Ishan, yes, unmute and be ready to answer it. Yes. What is the name of the process by which food is breaking down into pieces? Digestion. Very good. Sia, Anu, what happened?
Ma'am, I not current. That's why.
Okay. That is why you came late. Okay, no
Yes.
problem. Okay.
Why
Why
guy?
guy?
Switch off.
Okay.
Will be switch off.
Okay. Vaiga, what is the name of the organ system? What is the name of the organ system that helps in digestion?
Digestive system.
Very good, very good. Okay, so this all we learned. And did we discuss the parts of digestive system, children, in the last class?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, so okay, now we can discuss it. Okay, which all are the parts of digestive system? Which all organs helps in digestion? So when you got some pizza or cake piece. Oh, when I told about pizza, Akshaj is looking like this. Yeah. Yes, Akshaj. If I give you a piece of pizza in a plate, you will take a piece of it, and where you will keep it first? You will take a piece of it and mouth, isn't it? Isn't it? Okay. So which organ is the entry point of food? Which organ is the entry point of our food? Our mouth. Okay, mouth. We are keeping the food in our mouth. So mouth is an organ. Mouth is an organ.
Organs.
Yeah. So connected to the mouth, see here it is the mouth. Okay, children. So connected to the mouth, one tube-like organ is there. Isn't it? Tube-like organ. Can you see it in the diagram? Yes. Can you tell me what is the name of the tube-like organ that connects the throat, the mouth?
Food pipe.
Food pipe. Yes, very good. Last year you learned it, isn't it? Mute your audio, children, please. So this tube-like organ that connects, that takes the food from the mouth, that tube is called food pipe. Okay, that tube is called food pipe. So children, when I am writing this, you also need to write down the names of the parts of digestive system. Take the rough book. Take the rough book. Did you noted the names, swelling or digestive system? Did you copy the name of digestive system? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So now you can write parts of digestive system. Parts of digestive. Heading. Heading is parts of digestive system. First one, write mouth. Second one, write it food pipe. And see at the end of the food pipe, can you see a sac-like organ here? Can you see a sac-like organ? That is called, what it is? What is the name of that sac-like organ? Stomach. Okay, stomach. How to pronounce it? Stomach. Stomach. But we will pronounce it as stomach. Okay, stomach, not O sound. O sound. Don't say O sound. Stomach. Stomach.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Stomach.
Stomach. Got it? Next one.
Finish.
Liver.
Okay, so wait, children. So I hope you noted down the spellings of mouth, food pipe, stomach. Then, see, can you see an organ here? This,
Liver.
yeah, this is called liver.
Liver.
Okay, liver. 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 Note down the spelling, children. Liver. Got it? Savio, are you writing, Savio? Are you writing? I hope everybody is writing. Let me see it. Everyone is writing?
I finish.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No need to finish it fast. After, when I tell these names, then only to write it. Okay? Don't finish it fast. See, at the end of the stomach, you can see a coiled tube-like organ. Coiled tube-like organ. Can you see that one coil?
And that is small
That is small intestine. Small intestine. Not intestine. Intestine.
intestine.
Okay, intestine. Small intestine. Okay, we are used up with this intestine, but it is intestine. Small intestine. Wait. See, connected to the small intestine, you can see a somewhat wider coiled tube. Can you see that somewhat wilder one?
Yes.
What is that?
Large intestine.
Large intestine.
Large intestine.
Large intestine. Right? Are you writing these names, children?
Yes, ma'am. I already finished.
Okay, don't already finish it. I told you, you can write it along with me. See, when you are writing it fast, there is a chance of spelling mistake. That is why. Okay. Here, did I made any running competition, anything? No. Huh? So we can we can go along with this. Okay. See, so many audio is unmuted. Why it is muted? First. And at the end of the digestive tube, you can see a part here, isn't it? Through which the waste are removed out of our body. The name of that organ is anus. That is anus. Spelling is A-N-U-S. Okay. Don't say somebody pronounced it as anus or anus something. It is not that. That is wrong. Anus. What it is? Anus. Clear, children? Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me call some students for the spellings. Yes. Somebody is screaming. Why? What happened to you? What happened? Okay. Is it everything okay? Is it everything okay?
Yeah, no.
Via.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. What happened? I can't see. Sia. What happened, Sia?
No, ma'am. I not call you.
Okay. Then mute your audio. So, children. Yes. Dara. Read the spelling of the mouth. Everyone check it in your rough book whether that spelling is correct or not.
Mouth.
Okay, what is that word? M-O-U-T-H?
Mouth.
Okay. Malavika, read the spelling of the second organ.
SOODPIPE.
What is that word?
Pipe.
Food pipe. Okay, food pipe. Got it? Okay. Next one. Sachin Muhammad. Read the next name of the next organ. Sachin Muhammad.
Large intestine. Sorry, ma'am.
Then read it properly after food pipe. Which is that organ?
Stomach. After food pipe, stomach.
Stomach. Okay, read the spelling stomach. Vaiga, why you are keeping the textbook and rough book with you? Workbook with you. I need only the rough book in my class. You can use this textbook for referring after the class. Okay, this textbook and workbook after my class. Okay, yes, Sachin, read it.
STOMACH.
What is that word?
Stomach.
Stomach. That is stomach. Okay, Aishwarya EP, please read the next organ.
Liver.
Read the spelling.
LIVER.
Very good, very good. Next one.
next
Amit, please read the next organ. Name of the next organ.
Ma'am, small intestine.
You did not have your lunch today. No energy. So read it fast.
Small intestine.
Small intestine. What is that?
Small intestine.
Small intestine.
Small intestine.
Yes, N is there. N is there anywhere. N is there. Why you are writing intestine and all? Intestine. Okay. So read the spelling. Read the spelling fast.
SMALL.
What is that word? SMALL.
Small.
Okay, then read the next one.
intestine.
What is that word?
Intestine.
Very good, very good. Once again, read it.
Small intestine.
Oh, small
Intestine.
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 Intestine. Okay, read it.
Intestine. Intestine.
Very good. Repeat, okay? Unmute it and repeat. Evelyn, read the spelling of the next one. Next organ.
Unused.
No. Before that.
Long instant.
Sorry, Evelyn.
Ma'am.
Small intestine. After small intestine, what is the name?
Large intestine.
Read the spelling. Large intestine.
LargIntestine.
What is that word?
Large intestine.
Okay. So next one also read it. What is the first read the spelling?
ANUS.
What is that word? No. Anus. Okay, what is that word? Anus. Don't say anus and all. It is anus. Clear? Anus. Clear? Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So these are the 7 organs in the digestive system. So let me ask you, who is able to say the names of 7 organs in the digestive system? Raise your hand. Those who know without seeing, those should say without seeing. Names of 7 organs in digestive system. Who all can say it? Agnivesh. Yes, Agnivesh, tell me.
Foot, mouth, foot pipe, stomach,
Stomach.
liver, small
Intestine.
small intestine, anus,
Small intestine. After small, what is there?
large intestine,
Then anus.
anus.
Okay. Ranjan Krishna.
Ma'am, can I? Ma'am, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, and anus.
Okay, tell me once again. First.
Mouth, foot pipe, small intestine, large intestine.
After food pipe, at the end of the food pipe, what is there? Stomach.
Small intestine, large intestine.
Then? Agnel Sunil. Yes. Ranjan, please listen. Okay. Agnel Sunil, tell me.
Mouth, foot pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, anus.
Okay. Anus. Okay. Okay. Let me see. Preet Ramesh. Yes. Preet Ramesh.
Ma'am, mouth, foot pipe,
Stomach.
liver, small intestine, large intestine, anus.
Very good. Bhumi.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me.
Mouth, stomach,
Stomach, no? Stomach.
liver,
Anus. Okay. Nihara Jobi, are you sleeping, Nihara? Nihara Jobi, are you sleeping? You are lying on the bed. Nihara,
Ma'am,
are you lying on the bed? Huh? That is not fair, okay? So say the names of the organs in the digestive system.
Heart.
Heart. Is heart is there in the digestive system?
No, ma'am.
The-
Stomach.
No, beginning first, which is that organ?
Ma'am.
Beginning. You are lying and sleeping there. So what can I do? Yes, Dara, say that.
Mouth, food pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, anus.
Okay. So children, almost I think almost all got these names. Okay. Sorry? Paiga. Okay, wait, children. Okay. Mute your audio. See, children, everyone. Mute your audio and sit quietly. I will go to the next topic. Okay, so learn it. Next class, I will give the chances or those who did not get today. Okay, so next point that we are going to learn, that is about what happens to the food in our mouth. Okay, so we told no, these much organs are involved in the digestion. These much organs are working on the food to make it into paste. Am I correct? These all organs, 7 organs are working on the food and turning that food into paste form. Once the food become paste form, blood can absorb the essential important things from the food. So, how these organs are making, how these organs are working on the food, we can discuss it. So, first it is mouth, isn't it? First it is mouth. We take food in our mouth, isn't it, children? We take food in our mouth. So, digestion starts in the mouth. Very good, important point. Okay, important point. So, Nihara, where does the digestion start? In which?
Digestion starts in the mouth.
Okay, digestion starts in the mouth. Okay, Ivan Anthony, where does the digestion start in our body?
Mouth.
Okay, in the mouth. Okay, in the mouth. So, there it starts. So, which all organs, what all things are there in the mouth, Hari Govind? In the mouth, what all things are there? From the picture also you can see, otherwise you can just think about your mouth. What all things are there inside your mouth?
Teeth.
Teeth. Okay, teeth. Then teeth, tongue. Isn't it? Tongue and teeth. These are present inside our mouth. Am I correct?
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Teeth. Am I correct? Am I
Yes,
correct?
ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, instead of that milk teeth, sometimes you may get some big sharp teeth, isn't it? The new ones which are growing, that all are. Sia, know what?
See the bug.
Sia, please.
I not see the bug.
Okay, Sia, your network is so unstable. That is why. Okay, wait. So here we can see in our mouth, teeth and tongue. These are present. Okay, some of you may be losing some of your milk teeth, but the teeth which it is replacing, the new ones, how are they? Are they small? No, they are all big one, isn't it? Very sharp also. Am I correct, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, teeth are present. What is the function of this teeth in our mouth? That is what we want to see. What is the function of the tongue in our mouth? That also we need to see. So, just before that, I want to tell you one thing. If somebody in the class, if somebody sits and eat raw mango pieces by showing you like this and eats the raw mango pieces, what will be there in your mouth? Ishan, what will be there in your mouth? What will be there in your mouth?
Ma'am, saliva.
Saliva. One liquid will flow it into your mouth. Am I correct? Am I correct? So if you see some favorite food or especially some raw mango pieces or tamarind, isn't it? Tamarind. These all, if it is showing, the liquids will flow into your mouth. That liquid, is it water, children? Is it water?
No.
No. Ishan, you are playing there.
No, ma'am.
Okay, listen. So is it water, children?
No.
No. The name of that liquid is saliva. The name of that liquid is saliva. Saliva. Okay. Saliva. I will write it. Saliva. So this saliva, it is produced in our mouth. Okay. The saliva is a liquid that helps in the digestion, in the breaking of food. It is produced in our mouth. So, can you see, children, at the front of our ears? See, just check it. At the front of our ears, both sides. One gland. Gland means it is also an organ. Okay, one organ is there here in front of our ears. That organ is called salivary gland. That organ is called salivary gland. So in this picture, you can see this salivary gland here. It is in front of the ear, situated in front of the ear. This salivary gland produces this saliva. Gland means an organ. Okay, it is also an organ that produces some excretions like saliva. Clear? Is it clear? So, whenever we are seeing our favorite food or some sour tasting food, saliva will flow it into our mouth. Isn't it? So, who is producing this saliva? Who is producing this saliva in our mouth?
Ma'am, saliva.
Salivary gland. Okay, where is it situated? Salivary glands are where we can see the salivary gland. Yes, touch it in front of our ears, both the ears. Okay,
Ma'am,
who is calling in between?
ma'am, Preet.
Yes, Preet. Yes, tell me.
If saliva come to our mouth, what will happen?
That I will tell you. Okay. So what will happen? What is the use of saliva? See, just think. You are eating one rusk. Do you know rusk? It is very hard and dry, isn't it? It is very hard and dry. We will make a piece of it and we will put it in our mouth. Whenever we are keeping something in our mouth, salivary gland will produce saliva. The saliva will flow it. It mixes with the food. Once it mixes with the food, what will happen to the rusk? When we put the rusk in our mouth, what will happen to it? Then also it will be dry and rough? No. What will happen to that rusk? Evelyn, let it be there. You concentrate in your studies. Yes.
It will wet.
It will become wet. Once it becomes wet, it will be soft. Isn't it, Preet?
Yes.
Yeah. So this is what it happened to all the food items. When we are putting some parota piece. Okay, parota, it is very hard. Is it liquid? No. It is very rough and hard, dry. So when we keep a piece of parota or chapatis or idlis, when we keep it in our mouth, it mixes with the saliva. Saliva makes the food wet and soft. We can clearly understand it by using rusk or biscuits when you are eating. Isn't it? Yeah. So I hope it's clear now.
Ma'am, look.
What did happen?
Ma'am, chocolates.
Chocolates. Okay. So chocolates already it is becoming liquid, no? That is why. But rest these food items, when we put it in our mouth, it mixes with the saliva. That is the function of this saliva. Understood? Saliva mixes with the food and makes the food soft and wet. Saliva mixes with the food and makes the food soft and wet. Once the food becomes soft, it is easy for our teeth to chew, to break down into smaller pieces. Isn't it? Huh? Once the food becomes soft and wet, it is easy for our teeth to break it into smaller parts. Mute your audio, children. So, yeah, tongue also helps in mixing the food with the saliva. Okay, it also helps to mix the food with the saliva. And not only that, after mixing with saliva, using the teeth, we can chew the food, we can break the food into smaller parts, then we will swallow it, isn't it? At that time, the tongue helps to push the food into the food pipe. Okay, so tongue is helping to mix the food with the saliva and also pushes the chewed food into the food pipe. Clear? Story of food inside the mouth, you understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what will happen to the food after when it pushed into the food pipe? We can see it in the next class. Okay, so